We have just parked our bike and we are gonna enter the Golden Gate. Golden Gate. Oh no. We are at Cherry Blossom Festival venue. If you know, if you have been to Mao and you have visited this Cherry Blossom Festival, and you will know where we are. That's the stage. Now we will head towards the stairs. Probably 15 minutes walk. We are planning to swim. I don't know if the pond will be deep enough to swim, but then we'll take a shower for sure. Wow, check this out. Nice staircase. Subscribe to my channel. Oh man, this place has so many memories. You know, we try to enjoy life as much as possible. Yeah, that should be the motive, the spirit. You know, enjoying life whichever ways. This is the way up. Stairs till up there. To go up more and more. The stairs, there was no stairs back then. It's just, you know, trails, adventure trails. I knew we're gonna heat up our body as we climb these stairs, because earlier we were feeling a little cold. So having a second thought that we should or we shouldn't take the bath or swim. It's not that deep. I don't think we can swim. It's not that deep. Ooh. Nice. What a view from up here. That's the village view and the trails. So pretty, right? We're not halfway yet. It's been a while since I last visited this waterfall, so I'm not sure till to which point they have constructed the stairs. I mean, with all the stairs they have constructed, it's nice to walk up, you know. If not, with this season here, the rainy season, the grass, the wheat will be all over the road, and then it's not that nice to walk around. Plus with all the insects, snakes, especially snakes, you know. Yeah. But this is good, this is better. I wish it's sunny. If it's sunny with all the sunlight, the view will be much better, much beautifuler. Damn. I can do it. Still climbing. Probably we're halfway now. It's about 3 kilometers, 4, maybe 3 kilometers from Mauget, from the town, and which is till up to Cherry Blossom Festival, and then from there you have to trek. You have to trek up like me, like I am doing right now. So I think we've been trekking about almost 10 minutes, maybe not 10 minutes, maybe 5, 6, 7 minutes. Yeah. Nice. I think it was last year I came out with my nephews, 2 of my nephews. If you are following me on Instagram, I guess you have already seen that. That was beautiful, right? That was good. Oh. Almost there. Hello. Pra Timothy, pra. Come in, Pradu. Whew. I can almost see the waterfall. Oh yes, I can see it right in front of me. Ah, so beautiful. Check it out, guys. Ta-da! I give you the Elai waterfall. That is as far as I can zoom. As close as I can zoom. Okay. Let's go. Close. Let's get closer. I can see a monkey dancing. Can you guys see it? Wow. It is just so beautiful, you know, so beautiful. All right, too much about me. Let's get back to the waterfall. Enjoy, guys. 我来，那就还是不会。对，你吧。哎，还是玩什么练？Let's go in. 不会啊？不会。不会呢。Oh shit. Man, oh, it's getting cold. Can't get close. Oh shit, oh shit. Oh, my sandal. Oh shit.
Yo, what's up? I'm cool. I'm cool. I'm cool.
Eh, udah bagus ya, udah bagus sudah. Udah. Hello. Ada apa, bro? Ada. Ada tak? Mana? Tak lihat pula.
Mau cici dah, cici tu dah.
Mana hapus dulu?
对了，就是了。哎，不是的，我都不看的。不过嘞。哪里在？